Fantastic event, 2024 Elite Technician Program here in the home of Penske Automotive Group, Detroit.
You caught me!
No better way to do it with a street race and really kick off the weekend fantastic for all these guys from the UK and the US. Combined event was just phenomenal. So we take 140 technicians across all of our dealerships. We then test them down into 14 finalists by brand. Those 14 technicians, they test and we whittle it down to one champion overall for the entire company.
This year now we've actually had our best year ever. We've had over 800 people that have taken part. I'd like to thank every single technician that's in this room tonight. In my book, every single one of you is a winner. So give yourself a round of applause, please.
The Elite Tech program's great. We get all this access to the track, to the pits, to the garages, stuff we'd never be able to do on our own.
Took them out for a nice recreational night.
Did some axe throwing and some football bowling.
It's difficult.
Wow. I didn't try the curling, but some people tried the curling.
It's not as easy as it looks on TV, that's for sure. It is amazing! Have a great time. Thank you, Team Penske.
I got the chance to meet IndyCar driver Scott McLaughlin. That was really great. He just talked about kind of the same thing we talk about, you know, striving and working hard and dedication to perfection, stuff like that.
Had a beautiful event last night for dinner and tried to give them a world-class experience once again. 3, 2, 1. At our awards banquet, they all get passed out a medal. There's one gold medal inside the box. They open simultaneously, and obviously we crown our champion.
Who's got gold?
With that, they get a Penske Racing helmet, the signed 50 years Penske Racing by Roger Penske, a Shinola watch, and of course, a huge trophy. Jared is now a 4-time winner, so he's the guy that everyone's got to beat to be on top.
You know, there's a few of us. We rotate through. It's not me every year.
You got a guy here who has spent more than half of his life in the industry and half of his life with this company.
It was very special to celebrate Randy Bosch, who spent 35 years with the company and announced his retirement.
I'm proud to call you my friend. So give me a hug, buddy.
I can't thank him enough personally for what he's done for this program over the last 9 years that it's been alive. So it's fantastic. These technicians need to go back and explain the experience they've had and everything that goes with this program.
Tell your peers how great a time you had.
Getting ready to go on a lap of the track.
Because next year, they want to apply to this program and be here like you're here this year.
The weekend overall was a complete success. Can't thank the company enough for the support and all of our sponsors that help make it all happen for these guys, because they truly deserve it. For them to now want to aspire to be the next generation of our Penske Automotive Group Elite Technicians. That to me is what's most important.